Hello guys, we are from LIA Cikokol and we're in HI-3 class level, and we make this video for entering the competition. And for the introduction, my name is Carel.
And my name is Andre. My name is Ali Kurwani.
And my name is Gabriel.
And the content of this video is we're making a tip-centric video, and it's about this dispenser. Yeah, we're reusing the waste from the plastic bottle.
Yeah, hey, man. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Fine.
How are you? Fine. Thanks. Yeah, long time no see you.
Yeah, and Andre, we're just passing by and saw you throw that bottle over there. I think it's not good. As you know, Andre, littering, waste like that could be bad for our environment. And instead of throwing stuff like that or waste like that, maybe you can throw it in the right place. Maybe like a trash can, trash bin.
That's stuff that needs to be used. Once it's no longer useful, I can throw it wherever I want. Knowing this, you cannot throw it everywhere because it will make dirty the place. I've never thought of the idea. Just put the bottle on the trash, so there is a trash especially in everywhere for the bottle, or you can reuse it. Huh? Reuse the bottle? Seriously? My friend from Fadlan, so he already reused it and he is using it as a dispenser.
Yeah, as you see, your waste over there, you can make it as a new stuff like this. And Fadlan has made the tips and trick video for you to see if you want to make something like this too.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah.
Now I'm going to show you all the materials and tools that we need. Bottle, 2 straws, scissors, solder, marker, glue gun. Now you have to mark the bottle because it will be easier for you to make holes if you mark the bottle. To that, make holes on the bottle. Now, divide the holes into 2 pieces. Now you put the straws into the holes, just like this. After you put it, stick it with glue gun. After you finish sticking the straw into the hole, then you will be able to use it. You can fill whatever you want, maybe soft drinks or some water. And now I'm gonna fill this bottle with soft drinks. And if you open the bottle, the drinks will flow into the straws and comes down into the glass, just like this. And if you close the bottle, it will stop. And that's how you make a dispenser from a plastic bottle.